Brandy here. Welcome back to this week's Intivix Office 365 tips and tricks. Today you're going to learn that your Outlook calendar understands plain texts, and you're also going to learn how to use the scheduling assistant within Outlook. If you've ever sent a meeting invitation to more than one person, you know how challenging and frustrating it can be to get everyone to accept your invitation without having to reschedule it 2 or 3 different times. Regardless of the reason they're unable to make the meeting time, Outlook is here to take that burden off of your plate. Let's get started. Open up your Outlook calendar as I have already done. Next, click on New Meeting. Type in the attendees as you normally would. Enter in your subject, and now let's turn this into a Skype meeting. This way our location and the Skype meeting details will automatically populate. If you look at the top of your screen, you'll notice that there's a message that has popped up. It is letting us know that Rob will be out of the office through August 1st, which is helpful in planning our meeting. If we want him to attend, we should probably schedule for something later. This is where you may type in the plain text to Outlook, and it will understand and automatically convert this to a date. I believe August 2nd is next Wednesday. So let's type that into our start time. I'm not positive if this date will work, but I'm going to let Outlook worry about the actual date and the time for me. Now in the ribbon at the top of your screen, click on the scheduling assistant. If you notice, Outlook has listed your availability as well as the invitees. I now can see when Rob and Craig are available. At the bottom of your screen, toward the left side, there is a legend. This will help you choose the best possible time for your meeting. To the right of your screen, Outlook suggested non-conflicting times for you. There are several different ways that you can schedule the time. You can either choose a time from the non-conflicting suggested times and watch what will happen. The bar has moved to that particular time, and at the bottom of your screen, the time has changed as well. Another way you may do this is by clicking on the bar within the calendar itself and adjusting the time. Let's say I'd like to take an hour. I simply just move the bar over, and as you can see, at the bottom of the calendar, the time has been adjusted. And then there's the way that you would normally do this by using the drop downs in your start time and end time. Now that we've selected our meeting time, let's go back and enter in the text to the body of our email. As a quick reminder, if any of the features we discussed during these weekly tips and tricks do not work for you, please contact your local IT department, as you may need the feature turned on or you just might not have the licensing for it. While there are many features within the Outlook scheduling assistant, I wanted to show you the very basics just to get you started. I'll save the details for another session. And so there you have it. Now you know how to use plain text and the scheduling assistant within Outlook. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you join us again next week.